Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best scouring stick is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a sparkling clean bathroom, especially when it comes to tackling those stubborn toilet bowl stains that regular brushes just can't seem to conquer, making it a game changer for anyone who values hygiene and a pristine appearance in their most private space. Number 5. Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner with Handle. Introducing the Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It's designed to tackle stubborn stains on your toilet bowl and other surfaces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning easier and more effective. Reach every corner without straining. Say goodbye to unsightly hard water stains. This cleaner is your go-to solution for a sparkling clean toilet. But its power doesn't stop at toilets. Use it to restore the shine on grills, tiles, grout, and even pool surfaces. Crafted from durable pumice, it effectively removes grime and buildup. Get a powerful clean every time you use it. Experience the difference this cleaning tool can make. Order your Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner now. What we like? This one comes with a handle, making it super easy to grip and scrub those tough stains without getting your hands dirty. If you're dealing with stubborn hard water marks on your toilet, grill, or tiles, this is a fantastic choice. It's designed for those who want a comfortable and effective cleaning experience. What people say. The scouring stick is effective for cleaning tough stains on the toilet bowl. Its design allows it to reach difficult areas under the rim. The abrasive material effectively removes rust and mineral deposits without scratching the porcelain. Number 4. Chinco 6-Packs Pumice Cleaning Sticks. Introducing our powerful cleaning sticks, designed to tackle tough stains and grime. They effectively remove dirt without leaving any scratches behind. These versatile sticks are perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, and even outdoor spaces like grills and pools. They handle everything from rust to hard water rings with ease. Crafted from good quality, odorless, and non-toxic material, they are safe for your family, pets, and the environment. They won't scratch your surfaces, ensuring a safe clean. Designed to fit comfortably in your palm, cleaning becomes more manageable. Their size allows for easy handling, and they can be shaped for those hard-to-reach areas. With 6 packs included, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning tasks. Keep your home, kitchen, bathroom, and pool sparkling clean with this convenient set. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and built-up grime. These sticks make cleaning effortless, restoring the shine to your appliances and fixtures. What we like? You get a generous pack of 6, which is great value and means you'll always have one on hand. It's made from a safe, odorless material that won't scratch your surfaces, making it ideal for general home cleaning tasks. If you need a reliable, non-toxic option for various areas like your kitchen, bathroom, or even pool tiles, this multi-pack is perfect. What people say. The brush head is flexible and can reach under the rim. It is easy to clean and dries quickly. The holder is designed to keep the brush from dripping. Number 3. IMPRESA Pumice Stone Toilet Cleaner with Handle. Tired of stubborn stains that won't budge? Our Pumice Stone Cleaner is here to help when other cleaners fall short. It's the essential tool for a sparkling clean. This versatile cleaning wand isn't just for your toilet bowl. It's perfect for tackling grime on barbecue grills, tiles, grout lines, and even swimming pools. Add it to your home essentials today. Cleaning has never been easier. Just dampen the stone and use gentle, straight motions. It naturally conforms to surfaces for an efficient clean every time. Experience the natural abrasive power that removes tough limescale, hard water stains, and calcium deposits. It's a valuable addition to your cleaning supplies. Get 2 cleaning stones in this pack. Keep one handy in the bathroom and use the other for various cleaning tasks around your home. It's truly indispensable. What we like? This set includes 2, so you can keep one handy in the bathroom and another for other cleaning jobs around the house. Its natural abrasive power is excellent for those really tough limescale and hard water stains that other cleaners can't touch. If you're looking for a versatile tool that tackles toilets, grills, and pool tiles with ease, this is a solid option. What people say. The brush head is flexible and can reach under the rim. It is easy to clean and does not leave residue. The holder is compact and fits well in small bathrooms. Number 2. Fourth Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Tired of stubborn stains? Our cleaning essential is designed to powerfully remove limescale, hard water rings, and calcium buildup. It works effectively on various surfaces, making your cleaning tasks effortless. Made from recycled glass, this tool is tough on dirt but gentle on your surfaces. It scrubs away stubborn stains without causing any harm, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your home. Its optimal size makes it easy to handle for a convenient cleaning experience. It can also reach narrow corners, providing a thorough deep clean where other products can't. Save money and revitalize your fixtures instead of replacing them. Just a few minutes and a couple of these can refresh your toilet, offering quick results and saving you time. To use, wet the stone for about 15 to 20 seconds and test in a small area first. Keep both the scrubber and the surface moist during use, then wipe clockwise to easily remove dirt. We are committed to providing you with a satisfactory experience. If you encounter any issues, please contact us immediately for free returns and direct refunds. What we like. Made from recycled glass, this offers a powerful clean without being harsh on your surfaces. It's incredibly effective at removing limescale, rust, and hard water buildup, making it a budget-friendly alternative to replacing fixtures. If you want an eco-conscious and economical solution for deep cleaning toilets, sinks, and grills, this 6-pack is a smart buy. What people say. The Scouring Stick is effective for cleaning tough stains on the toilet bowl. Its design allows it to reach under the rim for thorough cleaning. The material is durable and does not scratch the porcelain surface. Number 1. Compac Home Magic Stone Porcelain Cleaning Stick. Are you struggling with tough lime stains in your toilet bowl? It's time to discover a powerful solution that makes cleaning effortless. Meet the Magic Stone Porcelain Cleaning Stick from Compac Home. This handy tool is designed to tackle the toughest grime. Its unique design allows it to easily scrub away stubborn lime stains. You'll be amazed at how quickly it restores the shine to your porcelain. This cleaner is ideal for your toilet bowl, but it also works wonders on other bathroom fixtures. Keep your entire bathroom sparkling clean. Get a convenient 2-count pack, ensuring you always have this effective cleaner on hand. Experience a new level of clean with ease. What we like. This stick is specifically designed to tackle stubborn lime stains on porcelain and bathroom fixtures. It makes scrubbing away those unsightly marks incredibly easy, restoring the shine to your bathroom. If your main concern is dealing with persistent lime buildup on porcelain surfaces and you want a simple, effective tool, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Scouring Stick is effective for cleaning tough stains. The design of the Scouring Stick allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas. It works well on various surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.